personally. I'll do more than support your dreams, baby. Get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree. Go, girl. Focus on me.
Hey loves, so I am on my way to get my lashes done. I know, I said I'm not gonna get my lashes done, but I'm filming with Tanaka tomorrow. Tanaka in Zimbabwe, and sis, I gotta look cute. So I'm just quickly getting something to eat. I'm at this pad Thai place in Newlands, and I'm just getting food, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the salon. Thank you so much.
How many you want?
Did you thread your eyebrows after that?
No, I used what's it called? Hair remover.
What? You don't react?
No, I don't. Surprisingly, but I didn't keep it on for a long time.
Okay. They look better than last time.
No, yeah, last time she did the madness on my eyes.
And the skin looks glowy.
Sweat.
Like you've been
It's
soaking
oily.
yourself in oils. I was about to say that.
Yeah, I'm just
But that's
natural.
a good thing though. In winter you need that.
But my makeup doesn't last now.
In winter you need that.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and I'm on garden duty. Well, watering the garden. So that is what I'm doing now. Today I'm so excited. Tash and Tanaka are coming through today to film a sip or spill. So I'm really excited. I want to go to Chizzy real quick to get lemons because I want to make margaritas. And I also just need some yarn for the jersey that I'm making. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. I can't wait for them to come through and film and just vibe. But yeah, right now back to gardening duties, and I will catch you guys when I'm on my way to Chizzy. I need a cash box. I'm gonna have my the last time I'm gonna shower 16. I want lemon. And then so this is what I usually buy, but I'm so tired of them. So I wanna try out the McCain's. But these are all oven ones. I was hoping you will try using that. Really pretty. Huh? So we didn't end up going to Chizzy. We just went to Convince, and now I'm going back home to get ready. Okay. Hey my loves, so I am back from spa, and I just wanted to do like a quick grocery haul because I haven't done these in such a long time and I miss them. But anyway, the first one thing we got is some fresh pack rooibos tea, so I need to clean these up. And then we also got some bread. Yeah, we got bread. Also got some onions. We have onions in the garden, but they're not done yet. They're not ripe. Sorry. So we still have to buy. And we also have spring onions within some stuff, like when you want to do your breakfast and stuff, you need onions obviously. And then we got some Ivan's or Irvin's chicken thighs, the best part of the chicken, don't at me. We got some Cobra, the lavender scent. And then we also got sugar. I couldn't find brown sugar, so I had to end up going with the white. And then I also got some Mazoe in blackberry. I prefer this to every other. And then, oh, I didn't say onions. And then we also got some eggs. Guys, eggs are so expensive. And then our cab driver was telling us that eggs in our hood is like $4 for a crate. I was shook because 12 eggs is equals to $4, bruh. Wow. And then we also got this bread. This freshly baked, what is this? Garlic bread. So we got a new frying pan, like the electric one. So I'm excited. I want to try that in there when I make breakfast for tomorrow. And then we also got them. I think we got 2 of these because our helper runs through this stuff. Like she'll use this thing twice. Anywho, I shall say anything. There's a shortage of stock that fat spread and buttercup. So we're trying out a Boutro. I don't know if it's good or not. I wanted the other one, the life one, but my mom was like, no, let's try this one because it looks fancy, because it looks like a boat. My mom's wilding, guys. And then we have this plastic bag. We just have snacks, spuds, chicken wings. Oh, I want to try out the hot chocolate with the tiny marshmallows. I haven't tried that out, and I think this would be so yummy. So I bought this specifically for that. And then more snacks, things, spuds, Lays, things, Lays, oh, chicken flings, Lays, and then just some gum, and then the chocolate milk. I bought the Lion's brand one because it was the cheapest. This was going for $3, guys. The rest, like Milo, I was like, No, not today. Then we also got some lemons. And then I think this pack, oh, I also got like these Freddos. I don't know if you guys remember Freddos. I got these for my guests that are coming today, some snacks and just some mints. And then I got mantuanas or chicken feet. I don't know what you guys call them in your language, but dondora in Shona. I want to cook those one fine day. And then I ended up getting these ones, but these are like your oven chips. So I wanted the Spud Buds ones, but they didn't have them. They only had like the chunky ones, and I wasn't really feeling those. And then we got mackerel fish. This is one of my favorite fish because you literally just clean it out, and then you just put it in cooking oil, and then it fried until it's crispy. You don't even need veg. You just cambra your salsa and your fish. Look, I'm even salivating. But this is like one of my favorites. So also got that. And then the last thing in here is crocodile meat. So I have not tried crocodile meat before. This is my first time actually trying it, and I'm excited to see how delicious it is because I've heard stuff about it. So yeah, this plastic bag smells like meat, blood. Anyway, the next thing we have, more cheeses, is these chocolate coated biscuits from chores, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then we've got Willard's peanut butter, the best. Guys, I feel like South African peanut butter is the worst thing that I've ever tasted in my entire life. When I was in SA, I would always crave this. It's the best. And Mama's, but the Mama's that we got, And then we also got Coca-Cola. If you're in Zim, they don't need my empty anymore. You can just go and buy your Coke without empties. Love that for us. And I also got water for my guests in case the alcohol dehydrates them, child. And then maguru. Also got maguru. And mushrooms. More maguru. More lemons. And then belly pork. And then my bones are like pork bones. You guys know I love pork bones. If you don't follow my food page on Instagram, please follow it, Dino Shan. I share all my simple, easy to cook recipes there. Sometimes just pictures of food because your girl likes to eat. Just more snacks. And then bacon. And then brisket. You guys, I feel like you guys now know my shopping list because literally I go and buy the same things all the damn time. So that's it. And then I popped into the Nameless Market. Is it Nameless Market? I think it's called Nameless Market. Let me just check. Nameless Whole Foods. And they sell like your organic type of stuff, your woolies if you want to source like your woolly stuff. And I just wanted tea. I wanted to like fill in on this tea. So I got this tea. And then I also got this one. This is the honey. The rooibos honey bush, and then this is the cranberry apple and cinnamon, both from Woolies. These are like my favorite teas. Well, this is my favorite tea, and then I'm just trying this out for the first time. But yeah, that's all I got, and I think that is it for our grocery haul. Ooh, my mom does, you know, those promotions that they have at like spa where you the promotions that you have like at spa where you fill up stickers and then you get a pot. My mom got her blue Congo pot. I like the color, but I don't know. I thought we were gonna get like, you know, the Pick and Pay ones, but this is cute too. But you can't put this much shorter because the blue is literally just gonna. But anyway, I think that's it. So I am actually gonna go and I'm just gonna clean the groceries, bath, and start getting ready because my guests are coming at 1 and it's like 11 now. So I have got 2 hours to get my life together. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Hey loves, welcome back. Today's Sunday. So yesterday when I was getting prepared for the filming, I totally forgot to film all the way there. So I'm just going to insert some clips from the actual video that you guys are going to see tonight, but this vlog you're going to see next week. But yeah, we had such good vibes. It was so much fun. We actually ended up just chilling because we were just enjoying each other's company. Anyway, today's Sunday, and this is going to be the last day of this vlog. I'm just going to be chilling. I'm about to go and make brunch, and I'm going to make brunch with you guys. But yeah, I was filming this reel that I saw on Guy Mapo's channel, and that I really like on her Instagram profile, sorry, not channel, and I really liked it, so I was filming that, and now I'm done. So I am about to go make brunch because I haven't eaten all day, and then I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So guys, this is a lot of food, but the plan is to eat and to knock out until dinner time because I wanna sleep. So I'm going to try the McCain chips. Not as nice as the Spud Buds ones. No, not as nice. Mushroom, always top tier. You know the vibes already. I will miss when I cook that mushroom, sis. The beans, top tier. So, I don't know why my phone just cut while I was eating, but mushroom is good. The fries, not so much. I'm disappointed in McCain's. I don't like them. I think Spud Bud is better. The beans, this is a lot of food, but like I had said, I want to go sleep until dinner time. So but anyway, loves, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, until the next one, be kind to one another. Love and light.